Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, I am a little shooketh right now because I just tested out a bunch of TikTok hacks and I swear it made a huge difference in my makeup. Like, I'm a little shook right now, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, if you guys wanna see these TikTok hacks and me testing them out, then you're in the right place at the right time, my friends. Look at that glow. Like, I'm shook at the glow, and that's one of the hacks that I'm like mind blown right now at that specific hack because it's so easy, but I'm really excited for you guys to see this video, so let's do it. I literally just went and super glued my nails back on because they keep falling off. So anyways, the first TikTok that I want to try out, the first TikTok hack, is this contouring with tanning one. So she's basically using self-tanner to contour her cheekbones and like basically any places you would put like contour and bronzer. So I'm really excited to try this one because I'm ghostly right now and I feel like this would be cute because, you know, round face crew, egghead crew knows the struggle of having a super round face, and I just feel like that little might be nice. I got my fake tan, Bondi Sands self-tanning foam 1 Hour Express, and then a little bronzer brush that I'm gonna use. Oh my god, I'm kind of scared. I'm kind of scared. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply that where I would normally apply my contour. Oh my god, I look literally crazy. Gonna snatch the little jawline here. I literally look like I just rubbed like mud on my face. In the video, she says to go heavy because it's gonna fade. So let's hope that's true. Oh my god. Okay, well, I'm gonna let this sit for an hour because I use the 1 Hour Express, so I'll check it in an hour. I really hope this fades because if not, I'm gonna be looking a little crazy. Okay, I'm back. It's been an hour, so I'm gonna rinse all of this off. Should I use face wash? Probably. Yeah, it didn't really do much so far, but even if it's a 1 hour one, it still develops over the next couple hours. So I'm gonna let it sit overnight before I do my final review and we'll check back in the morning. Actually, maybe it did do a little bit, but we'll see if it like really develops overnight and leaves us looking snatched and bronzed. A little snatchy. Is that weird? Was that weird? I don't know, kind of. Day 2, what do you guys think? Do we feel like it worked? I feel like it did work a little bit, but it's very subtle. And if I did it again, I'd probably try to use something either darker or like something that's gonna give me a little bit more of a bronzy look because it is there, like I could see it here, especially here. I feel like I didn't wipe it off my jawline, so it's actually like really stained on the jawline. But what do you guys think? Yes, no, maybe? Comment down below, let me know what you think about this first one. If you think it's like a good hack, if it worked or not, because I don't really know. I mean, like it did, but like very subtle. I would not be able to tell if I like if I wasn't looking for this, I would just think I was like, this is my normal, you know? All right, hack number 2. Pew, pew, pew. It's a chopper. I feel like this is one that's like very popular. Like this is probably the most popular makeup hack on TikTok right now, or just in general. I feel like this is just the one that like people think about the most when they think about makeup hacks on TikTok. So my second one is basically the powder before foundation makeup hack. So this one, the video that I
change your whole routine. Moisturize first.
Moisturize first.
Moisturizing, take some translucent powder. I usually use the Fit Me one, and I just lightly dab it all over my face. Not too much.
Okay, so moisturize first. How do you pause TikToks? Actually, maybe it did make a difference. I feel like my jaw looks pretty snatched. All right, Fit Me translucent powder. I'm scared. This one seems so strange because it's just not like the norm, you know? It's just not my normal thing. This feels so weird. All right, let's see if this works though. So then next up after that.
Then take some setting spray.
Setting spray.
I usually use the NYX one. After the setting spray, take a primer and just put your primer. Also, wait for the setting spray to dry first.
Okay, so let this dry. And then we're gonna put primer on. Oh my god, I'm literally scared. This is so weird. I can actually see the powder like in my pores too. All right, then primer once that setting spray has dried. Ooh, my skin actually does feel very silky when I'm doing this. Okay, so my last step of this hack would just be to apply foundation, but I have a third makeup hack that I want to actually try out with the foundation. So let me pull that guy up. Basically, she takes this Milani Soft Focus Glow. This hack is like a cheap way to make any foundation look really glowy and dewy. This product is the star of the show. So Milani Soft Focus Glow, which you guys know is actually one of my favorite products. And she basically just says to mix it with any foundation. So we're gonna do that. See, we're like combining two different hacks here. But I'm gonna take 2 pumps of the Milani product, 3 pumps of foundation. Does she say like how much product to use? I don't think so. Oh my God, that's so pretty. All right. I'm like scared because of the powder thing, but let's just try this out. Oh, that does make it really nice and glowy right away. Ooh, I really like that, the liquid glow hack right there. Wait, and I actually do feel like my skin looks a lot smoother and like less porous. Did both of us just work really, really well? Wow, I'm actually really impressed with that. Pores who? Do you see that? Like, do you actually see this? Guys, I love that. I love both of those actually. Thumbs up for both of those. All right, the next hack, basically you blow dry your lashes with cold air. Allegedly, it's supposed to make your lashes look really nice and long. I don't know if this is gonna work for me because I like had lash extensions obviously before the quarantine, but they're like all falling out, especially on this eye. So I'm gonna try this. I really hope that it works and that it doesn't like mess up my lashes because I have the lash extensions on, but you know what? We're gonna do it. Honestly, if anybody has like tips or anything to remove lash extensions, please let me know in the comment section because I kind of want to get the rest off just because they're starting to look crazy, you know, when they're like kind of like just not the vibe. This feels so weird. Oh my God. Oh my God, I've never felt something so weird. Oh my God, okay. That side looks fire, okay? Because my lash extensions are like looking better on this side than this side. This side's like trash right now. That looks so good. Oh my God, wait. Look when I look straight ahead. This eye actually looks fire. Oh my God. Wow, these TikTok hacks are actually like really coming through. How are those like my natural? I mean, like I have like some extensions, but like that's pretty much my natural lashes. And for somebody who, you know, usually wears false lashes all the time, TikTok coming through. I'm gonna finish off the rest of my makeup because my next hack is about highlight. And you guys know how much I obviously love highlight and love glowy stuff, so had to do a glowy one. Wow, I'm like shook at the powder hack because I'm not even lying. Like when I'm doing the rest of my makeup, I'm like, oh my God, my skin looks so smooth. Honestly, I'm so excited about these hacks, you guys. Like, I feel like they actually worked really, really well. TikTok came through. So basically, this hack is pretty much just taking your blender and using it wet to pick up your highlight and then applying the highlight with the blender, which I've actually never tried, which sounds crazy because when I saw this, I was like, oh, that's actually a really good idea. All right, let's see if this is gonna work. I'm gonna take my LC Cosmetics highlighter. I'm nervous. Oh my God, wait. Oh my God. Let me show you in the sun. Oh my God. Wait, why have we not been doing this all along? Because that actually looks so bomb. Oh, that was weird lighting. It's so glowy, but so natural, like. I love it. I'm actually gonna continue doing that like every single day. Okay, TikTok like kind of came through with this video. I swear, I feel like every single one of these hacks is something that I would try again, and like I feel like they actually made a huge difference, which I feel like hacks, sometimes I like don't have a lot of faith because I feel like they're gimmicky, but like, girl, it looks so good. Like I feel like these steps actually made a huge difference in my makeup. So there you go, TikTok came through. Love you guys, and stay tuned for more videos. I upload on Fridays and Sundays, and see you next time. If you wanna see more TikTok videos, comment down below, whatever you wanna see. Bye guys.